Hello, everyone. My name is Mo. I am the co founder of LynxUp, an AI marketing platform we've been building for the past year. And this is our version one. And we're finally opening it up for our pre launch beta program. I am genuinely excited to show you what we've built, and let me walk you through. This is your brand dashboard. The moment you open the brand, this screen tells you everything: how many content pieces are ready, how many posts are scheduled, and how many leads you've captured, all in one place. Down here, this is your active campaign. You can see the name, the goal, and which platforms it's running across, and the progress bar shows where it is the content generation flow. This is your performance snapshot, reach and engagement over the last 30 days. Your top performing content surfaces here automatically. LynxUp scores every piece of content it generates, and the best one rises to the tops and gets re uploaded. These are your AI insights. These go one step further. It doesn't just show you what happened, it tells you what to do next. After every cycle, the platform analyzes your results and surfaces a specific recommendation. So you're never guessing what your next move should be. And here, right below, this is your recent activity. Every action taken across the platform gets logged over here. Content generated, posts published, leads captured, full visibility over here. This button is your launch campaign wizard. This opens a three-step wizard, and you give it your goals, your target audience, your target platforms, and it's going to generate the content and schedule it across every channel. And it runs the whole thing automatically. We'll cover the full campaign wizard in its own video, but this button right here is how you kick off everything.